From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring clocks that just tell time? Well, I just found the most amazing solution, the mooas with LED wall clock bundle, and it's a total game changer. This incredible bundle includes a full moon clock and a wooden frame clock, giving you two unique and stylish ways to keep track of time. With its smart tech and decorative LED lights, this clock is not just functional, but also a beautiful addition to any room. The wood finish is so sleek and modern, and the king size is perfect for making a statement. You'll love the 3 modes on this clock, which include a clock, nightlight, and clock combo, giving you the flexibility to customize it to your needs. The backlight nightlight has 3 beautiful colors, yellow, white, and blue, that resemble a full moon, creating a cozy and relaxing ambience. The LED wall clock displays time, calendar, and day, keeping you organized and on track. One of the best things about this clock is its versatility. It can be easily mounted on the wall or placed on a desk, thanks to the included wood stand. The auto brightness adjustment is also a genius feature, as it ensures the clock is bright during the day and dims at night, so it won't disturb your sleep. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's the perfect combination of style, functionality, and innovation. I've been using this clock for a while now, and I can honestly say it's been a total lifesaver. I no longer have to fumble in the dark to check the time, and the soft glow of the nightlight is so soothing. Whether you're looking to elevate your home decor or just want a reliable and stylish clock, the mooas with LED wall clock bundle is the perfect choice. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to add a touch. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.